Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the exact Minecraft version and installing Fabric Loader for that version. This avoids mismatched mods. Next, add Fabric API so mod hooks work. Once done, choose Iris or Sodium plus Iris as your rendering bridge. Iris adds shader support and compatibility. You also need the shader pack file. Place it in the Shaders folder. Make sure to back up worlds first. This prevents data loss if configs change. Now you put the downloaded jar files, Fabric API, Iris, and Sodium if used, into Minecraft's mods folder and start the game once to generate configs. After that, quit and create a shaders directory in the instance folder if it's not there, then move the shader. Zip into it. Relaunch, open video settings, set render distance and VSync appropriately, and open shaders to select your pack. Tweak specific shader options to balance visuals and performance. Finish by loading a world with varied lighting so you can confirm shadows, reflections, and skies are active. This validates the shader is applied. If the game crashes or shaders fail to load, check the latest log for mod conflicts and remove recently added mods, making sure all jars target the same Minecraft version. If FPS is low, lower the shader profile, reduce render distance, or allocate more RAM. Small changes often fix performance without sacrificing visuals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.